Hi, I'm Rich Bucari from Pointer Bucari Accident Recovery Attorneys, and today we're going to be breaking down this violent accident with a vehicle rollover that miraculously the occupants of the car walked away from. I'll present the facts, and then I'm going to be asking you for your video verdict. On this dashcam footage from Los Angeles, California, we see a white car ahead signaling to merge left on a busy stretch of road. To the left, a light-colored vehicle speeds by our dashcam vehicle. As the white car tries to merge, the cars on the left aren't budging, with the red SUV appearing to even block the white car from merging even though there's plenty of room to the left. The white car suddenly swerves back in its lane, unaware of the car to his right. This happens just as the light-colored car tries to pass the white car on the right before it finishes its merge. The result is a violent rollover where the occupants are extremely lucky to escape the car alive. Who was at fault for this accident? Here's how the dashcam driver saw it. A speeding car passed on the left, then tried to pass the car in front of the right while it was changing lanes. But that car changed his mind when the car behind sped up and tried to block him. The speeding car was knocked into the curb and flipped up in the air and slammed into a telephone pole. It is every driver's duty to use reasonable care and keep a proper lookout as they drive. Did any of these three drivers fulfill their duty? Who was at fault for this accident? Attorneys like me make the arguments, but it is the juries consisting of citizens like you that dispense justice. Was it the white car that tried to merge and then cut back into his lane? Was it the SUV that blocked the white car from merging? Or was it the speeding car that got flipped? Which driver do you think was at fault for this case? Or were all three partially responsible? Leave us your video verdict in the comments below. And make sure to tell us what you considered in your deliberations. Also, if you find this video informative, please make sure you like and subscribe our channel, where we constantly offer fresh and informative content about accident and injury claims. Do you have a video that you would like us to break down in our next video verdict segment? Click our link below and visit our webpage where you can upload your video and other useful information about the accident you may have had. If we use your video in one of our video verdict segments, we'll send you a $50 Amazon gift card. Also, please watch and comment on our other video verdict segments. And remember, if you're hurt in a car, call PBAR. Our contingency fees start at 25%. Compare that to 33 or even 40% from some of our competitors. I'm Attorney Rich Bucari, and I'll see you next time on Video Verdict.